How to change your name on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change name on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your preferred account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right, tap on the profile with the three-line icon. You will land on menu piece. Tap on the settings icon again at the top right, and once you're here, tap on the first section, that is Meta Account Center. Once you're here, tap on your profile at the top. Then you have to select your Facebook account. Then tap on name. Now you will land on this page where you can change your name. But here it says if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Do not add any unusual capitalization, punctuations, characters, or random word. So with that on your mind, you have to change your name. If you have already changed your name and it has not been 60 days, then you cannot change your name. You could only change your name after 60 days. So you could change your name here. You can select your different first name, and once you're done changing your name, you could tap on review change, and after that your name on Facebook will be changed. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.